Today we're going to be doing the stockinette stitch. This is done by working one row of knit stitches and one row of purls. So if you've seen our other videos, you'll know how to do your knit and purl stitches, but you can keep a close eye on my hands here and you'll be able to learn from this one too. So for the first row I'm knitting, so I'm just going to be wrapping the yarn around my needle and pulling up a loop. And continue like this until the end of the first row. Now what we're going to do is turn our work around and we'll be working back along the needle, but this time instead of doing knit stitches, we'll be doing purl stitches. So just like our other videos, I'm wrapping the loop around my needle from the front and pulling it off the left hand needle. And we're just going to continue doing a purl for the rest of this row. And now we have done one row of knit, one row of purl, and that counts as one row of stockinette stitch. So we're going to go back into doing our knit stitches for this row. There you can see your knit stitches, and now we're going to go back along in the purl. So here you can see the front of your work. And this is the back.